It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 4th of May. I'm Michael Groff. Dry conditions, temperatures to remain above average, approaching the century mark, especially by tomorrow and Thursday. Slightly cooler temperatures along with an increase in breezes as we head into the weekend. But of course, we will remain dry. All right, let's talk about it first. Yesterday in the valley, 90 degrees, the afternoon high. 67 was the morning low. The normal high, 91. The normal low, 66. So we're right where we ought to be. And as we take a look outside right now, here at 7:05 a.m., clear sky out there, and we are sitting at 70 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 34, relative humidity 26%. The winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures this morning, 50 degrees, the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 57 in Goldfield. Otherwise, we are mainly in the 60s to near 70 through the metro. The upper air look this morning, a rather typical pattern for this time of year. Dry west to northwesterly flow here across the southwest. All of the action found in the plains and over the eastern half of the United States. And that brings about a question that Michelle brought up earlier, and that is, why is it so dry this time of the year here over the southwest, while the plain states and the eastern half of the country see all of the action? Well, let's show you here. This is what's going on across North America right now. And again, ridging sits to the west. We've got a trough out over the southern plain states, another one up over the northern tier states and across central Canada, and a ridge just off of the southeast coast of the United States. And the main storm track, the westerlies, the jet stream, that is staying to the north of us. And as we get further into the spring and heading towards summer, the westerlies move further to the north. And so we see ridging developing here over the southwest. And that keeps all of those storm systems further to the north, over the Pacific Northwest, the Rockies, and then they dive southeastward out over the plain states, pulling moisture northward out of the Gulf of Mexico, out across the plains, in the deep south, and the Midwest. And that's why we have those strong and severe storms, those clashes of air masses, the drier, cooler air from the Rockies, meeting that warm, moist air coming out of the Gulf. And that's why we have prime severe weather season this time of the year in the plain states, and then shifting north as we go deeper into the spring and the summer. So you can see on the watch warning map, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch over extreme northern Alabama, parts of central Tennessee and southern Kentucky. Also some flash flood watches across parts of Mississippi, Alabama, and some of the adjacent areas there as well. And there was even a tornado warning at the time that I put this map together in parts of Cumberland and White County in Tennessee. So yes, active weather will be ongoing there today. And the primary risk from severe storms is going to be the strong, damaging straight line winds. There certainly will be a couple of tornadoes here and there, and certainly some hail as well possible. And you can see on the convective outlook, that's what's going on here. We have that enhanced risk from eastern Louisiana across much of Mississippi, Alabama, and into far western Georgia. The broader severe weather risk extends all the way up into parts of Pennsylvania and New York State. All right, around here, the precipitation outlook, this is valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. No rain in the valley, not much statewide, as again, we remain dry and warm through the period. We'll show you why that is, why that will continue as we dive into modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And it's more of the same. High pressure is building into our region from the west. The westerlies continue to shift up to the north. Got a trough out over the plain states. So for us down at the surface today, sunny and warmer. Highs low to mid 90s. Tonight, clear, dry, overnight lows in the 60s. Tomorrow, sunny, even warmer, highs upper 90s to near 100. We still have not had our first 100-degree day of the season. It is possible we'll see that tomorrow. If we don't then, probably on Thursday, as high pressure continues to sit overhead. Sunny sky, high temperatures 98 to 101. On Friday, we see some more weather systems entering the Pacific Northwest, and that will help to flatten out the ridge just a little bit here across the southwest. The heights will start to come down, so temperatures should retreat a few degrees on Friday and over the weekend as well. As those systems cut across the Great Basin, we see a broader trough perhaps developing north of the state. And as that comes together, we'll see an increase in breezes. It'll become locally breezy, maybe even windy here Saturday and especially on Sunday, with high temperatures falling back into the upper 80s and low 90s. Same thing on Monday, breezy conditions. Some guidance suggests that a more defined upper low or closed low may cut across Arizona, or at least the northern part of the state at that point. But even if that should occur, I think we would still stay dry. but temperatures are a little bit of a mystery here. We'll go with highs still in the upper 80s and low 90s at this period, but it might just turn out to be slightly cooler than that. Okay, here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 11th of May. And again, high pressure is trying to build back here across the southwest as that low moves out into the plain states. And going out 10 days. This is Thursday, the 13th. High pressure firmly in control, heights a little bit above average, and that looks hot and dry. All right, let's take a look at rainfall for the Phoenix area. This runs out through the 19th of May, coming off of the European ensemble, and we're not really going to spend a lot of time on this graphic. Nothing to see here. And temperatures off the national blend of models. It's got us at 100 tomorrow, 101 on Thursday, and then temperatures will lower slightly as we head into the weekend and early next week. And we'll just see how low they might get depending on how that system evolves to the north of Arizona. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe, stay cool and hydrated out there, and have yourselves a wonderful Tuesday.